History Unit 3 The Impact of British Rule in India. Fill in the following blanks with suitable answers. Diwani Adalat in Civil Court was introduced by Warren Hastings. The post of Superintendent of Police was created by Lord Cornwallis. The permanent zamindari system was implemented in Bengal and Bihar provinces in 1793. The land tax system was implemented by Alexander Reed is Rayatwari system. The British officer who supported the modern education in India is Warren Hastings. The Regulating Act was implemented in the year 1773. Discuss and answer the following questions. Illustrate the judicial system formulated through East India Company. According to the administrative plan devised by Warren Hastings, who took over the administration as governor in 1772, two types of courts were needed to be established in each district. A Diwani Adalat as a civil court and a Fauzdari Adalat as a criminal court. In these civil courts, Hindus were dispensed justice as per the Hindu scriptures and the Muslims as per the Sharia. Slowly, the British legal procedures were introduced in the criminal courts. Civil courts came under the administration of European officers. Though the criminal courts were under the control of Qazis, they were functioning under the supervision of European officers. What are the measures undertaken at the time of British in police system? Lord Cornwallis implemented the efficient police system in India for the first time. He created the new post of Superintendent of Police, SP. He divided a district into many stations and put every station under a kotwal. Similarly, he put every village under the care of Chowkidar. Kotwal was made accountable for thefts, crimes and other law violations at village level. The severe drought of 1770 led to the weak law and order situation. Hence, the entire police system was brought under the control of the British officers. The system of appointing British magistrates started in 1781. The police officers were under the power of the magistrates. The police system underwent continuous changes. In 1861, the Indian Police Act was implemented. This law is the base of good law and order administration. But Indians were not appointed for the post of officers. In 1902, the Police Commission allowed the appointment of suitable qualified for the post of the police officers. In permanent zamindari system, the Indian farmers were born in debt, lived in debt and died in debt. How? Prove. Under this system, zamindar became the landowner. The zamindar was expected to pay the agreed land taxes to the company on a set date every year. He was free to collect any amount of land taxes from the farmers and could retain the excess money collected. This benefited the zamindar more. If the zamindar was unable to collect land taxes due to floods and famine and pay the company, the ownership of the lands was taken away by the company. Both the zamindar and the company were benefited by this system, but the farmers were the grave sufferers. This system created a new social group that aided the British. The farmers, the farming laborers, suffered due to irregular working opportunities in the farming lands. They were exploited and had to lead a life of insecurity. What were the main aspects of Rayatwari system? The Rayatwari system was first implemented in Baramahal region by Alexander Reed in 1792. This system was later implemented in Madras and Mysore region by Thomas Munro in 1801. Under this system, both the farmer and the company were directly linked. The tiller of the land was recognized as the owner of the land. The owner had to pay 50% of produce as land tax to the company government. The land tax had 30 years tenure. The tax could be reviewed after this tenure. Though the small farmers were given land ownership, they were subjected to more suffering due to heavy land taxes. The officials took punitive actions to collect land taxes. The farmers had to borrow from the money lenders whenever the crops failed. They had to sell their lands whenever they failed to repay the loans. What were the effects of British land taxes? A new class of zamindars who exploited the farmers was created. The farmers who were subjected to the exploitation of the zamindars became landless slowly. Land became a commodity. Loans could be raised by mortgaging the lands. Many zamindars also had to mortgage their lands in order to pay the land taxes. The agriculture sector became commercialized and had to grow raw materials needed by industries back in England. The money lenders became strong. Make a list of the effects of British education in India. Indians could develop modernity, secularism, democratic attitudes, and rationality along with nationalistic ideals. Impetus was received for the local literature and languages. This facilitated unity in thinking process among the educated class. Periodicals started emerging. These scrutinized the policies and working of the government, which in turn enabled the Indians to have critical opinions on various issues. New social and religious reformation movements emerged. The thoughts of thinkers like J.S. Mill, Rousseau, and Montesquieu brought fresh thinking in the mind of educated youth of India. The freedom struggles that were taking place across the globe influenced the Indians also. Indians could understand and appreciate their rich tradition. What were the restrictions imposed in Regulating Act? Under Regulating Act, the Bengal Presidency gained control over Bombay and Madras presidencies. The Governor of Bengal became the Governor General of all the three presidencies. The Governor General was authorized to direct, exercise control, and to supervise over the other two presidencies. The Bombay and Madras presidencies could not declare war on anyone or enter into peace agreements without prior approval of the Governor General of Bengal Presidency and the Board of Directors of the company. According to this act, Supreme Court of Judicature was established in Calcutta. In this central court, one Chief Justice and three ordinary judges were there. What are the important features of the Indian Government Act of 1858? The license of East India Company was cancelled and India was brought under the direct administration of the Queen. The post of Governor General was changed into Viceroy. Lord Canning became the first Viceroy of India. A new post called Secretary of State for India was created in the British government. The Secretary was part of British Cabinet and was responsible for the administration of India. A Council of India was created in order to assist the Secretary in the administration. The Council had 15 members. How does the Indian Government Act of 1935 become the base of Indian Constitution? Most of the provisions in the Indian Constitutions are based on this act. This act allowed the formation of fully responsible government by Indians. This act was applicable both to the Indian principalities and also to the British India regions. A federal system of Indian principalities, British governed regions and Dominion states was formed. Reserve Bank of India was established. Hierarchy was cancelled at the regional level and autonomy was granted. The federal court was established. What are the important features of 1919 Act? Act formulated bicameral legislative body, lower house and upper house were formed. Hierarchy was allowed at regional governments. An High Commissioner was appointed for India. Promise to improve local self-government. Provisional budget was separated from central budget. Separate electoral college was extended for Muslims, Sikhs, Anglo-Indians and Europeans.